Divorce bill, yes. Bakit mo pilitin silang kasama pinapatay na nilang isa't isa? Maganda yung larawan ng nagmamahalan, pero kung divorce, they can be homicidal. Bayaan mo na lang. As long as the grounds for divorce are properly strict, so that young people will not be misled into using it as an experiment.
Same-sex marriage.
Same-sex marriage that is not yet allowed under our Constitution, and more specifically under the Civil Code, because the Civil Code defines a marriage as a relation between a man and a woman. I have no objection to same-sex marriage if these legal obstacles are first worked out. But right now, it's illegal in our country. Well, they can just live together. What's the big deal?
BBL.
BBL bang sa moral law? Ay, hindi pwede sa akin yon. Dahil, ang ginagawa niya sa kanyang mga provisions ay sub-state. Magpapatayo sila ng sarili nilang estado. Ngayon, sa ating constitution, ang allowed lang sa local governments at the most is regional autonomy. That's why for me, BBL is completely dead in the water. It's unconstitutional.
K to 12.
Okay, to 12. I don't know if that is such a wise move. And, for example, I am told that at least 70,000 teachers will be thrown out of their jobs. So, we don't necessarily have to do what everyone else abroad is doing. We should restudy this. I think it merits revisit.
Kidapawan.
Militarization. Well, first of all, you have to demilitarize the private armies. And second, those who are charged with similar offenses or crimes should now be speedily sentenced.
EDCA.
Talo tayo doon. Because if the U.S. government does not want to assume responsibility for any of its actions, it can just say, well, it's just a mere executive order or administrative order or something below the nature of a treaty. Masyadong matinik yung mga Amerikano na yun. Buti na lang marami ring naka-eskwela sa Amerika.
Next, ma'am. Climate change.
Climate change. First of all, there is still the threshold question of, is there really climate change? Because there are some disbelievers. My view is, yes, there is inevitable climate change, and the earlier we prepare for it, the better. I would like to suggest the formation at cabinet level of a disaster management and security, disaster risk assessment and management.
Contractualization.
Lahat kaming presidential candidates said, we are against contractualization. Dahil ang contractual worker can be laid off anytime. Pero itong Secretary of Labor, nagsabi namang, daming mawalan ng trabaho pag nawala yon. So, pag-aralan natin mabuti ang mga statistics ni Labor Secretary so that we can understand. But, all loopholes should be closed so that the employer will not make himself immune from any suit by a worker on the ground that the working relationship is based only on a contract.
Manila traffic.
Describe Manila traffic in one word.
Yes.
Devilish. Only the devil can
Survive.
Philippine internet.
You see, we are still in the process of assessing the impact of social media, particularly of the internet. Even in other countries, they are still making this ongoing assessment. But we cannot help it. We're in the throes of it. Technology is caught up with us. So we just must deal with it. It will present a new set of problems. But we have enough legal minds to deal with them. So there are many things you can say about the internet, but the thing is, it's already here. We have no choice.
Tax reform, income tax reform.
I'm sorry?
Income tax reform.
Tax reform.
Oh, income tax. I am in favor of lowering the income tax from 32% to 25%. Even the corporate income tax, corporate, but still income tax, I'm in favor of lowering it also to 25%.
FOI bill.
Freedom of information, that is highest priority in my list of priorities for Malacanang. I will have it refiled, and then I will certify it as urgent.
Daang Matuwid.
Daang
Daang
matuwid.
Matuwid.
Daang Matuwid. It's just a slogan. I don't see. Daang matuwid. Halimbawa, kung matuwid ang daan, merong dinakip, no? Dahil sa plunder charges, 3 senador. Di dapat yan,
Lahat.
dahil sa batas natin, walang bail ang accused of plunder. Di dapat yan, lahat sila nakakulong na ngayon at diretso na sila sa pagbista. Eh una, bakit nakalabas ang isa? Sabi niya, ipalabas na ninyo ako dito, hirap na ako, matanda na ako. Tapos nang napalabas siya, nagmarcha ba naman ng kayabang-yabang doon sa Senado? Na nag-attend. Paano nangyayari yung in a rule of law? Pagkatapos, kung matagal itong kasong ito, it will be a black mark against the Aquino administration because it will be a case of justice delayed is justice denied.
Martial law.
Martial law is an experience that many of us are familiar with, but it takes a lot of egoism to declare martial law. So I hope we'll never have it unless the ruler, the leader, is very narcissistic. Martial law is just the expression of a frustrated soul.
Tanimbala.
Tanimbala. You can expect that when I was immigration commissioner, I had a brush with some of the problems there in the airport. Alam mo ba, na ang mga empleyado ng Bureau of Customs, Bureau of Immigration, ay nagpabarilan sila para lang ma-include sila na mga empleyado sa airport. Lahat pala sila dyan, pag bumaba ang balikbayan, ang mga passport ng balikbayan may dolyar na para sa customs at sa immigration. Ganon kasalimuot yun.
1.7.
I'm sorry?
1.7.
What I have to say is not decent.
Do you want to say more?
No? Hi.